In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register for a Home Depot Pro account. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the Home Depot Pro registration page. Using Chrome can help ensure the page loads properly and that all buttons and form fields work as expected. Once the page opens, take a moment to make sure you are on the official registration screen before entering any information. This is a good habit whenever you create an account online, especially for a business-related service. When you're on the page, look for the button labeled Join Pro Extra and click it. This will take you into the account setup process. If the button does not appear right away, give the page a few seconds to fully load. You may also want to scroll slightly depending on how the page is displayed on your screen. Next, you'll be asked to enter your business email address, create a password, and fill in your company information. As you complete this section, make sure the email you use is one you can easily access, since it may be used for account verification, order updates, and account-related communication. When creating your password, choose something secure that you can remember and follow any password requirements shown on the screen. For the company information, enter your business details carefully and double-check for spelling errors or missing information before moving on. Accurate information can help avoid issues later when using the account for purchases or account management. After that, add your business credit cards to the account. This step helps track company tax exemptions and spending, which can be especially useful for managing purchases and keeping records organized. As you enter your card details, make sure you're using the correct business payment methods connected to your company. It's also a good idea to review the information before submitting it so everything is recorded correctly. Taking an extra few seconds here can save time later. Once all of your information has been entered, click the Create Account button to complete your enrollment. After you submit the form, the system may take a moment to process your registration. In some cases, you may also need to confirm your email or follow an additional prompt on the screen to finish setup. And that's it. Once your account is created, you'll be ready to start using your Home Depot Pro account for your business needs.